Hello everyone, and today I'm glad to say we starting complete Revit projects again. So will be new season with new type of the buildings and with the new ways how you can create your own project in Revit. So I will show you all of stage how you can create your own project, and you just can follow me up and you will do the same thing. So you will start from the nothing, from the blank project, and you will finish with the project with some documentation. I'm not saying like this will be commercial project. So for the commercial project, it's not enough like if I will work alone, but it pretty will be enough to show you your skills. So you just can show to the some BI manager, like I can create this building, you can have a look at, and after that he will realize, okay, you know something. It not means like he will say this is perfect model, but after that he will realize, okay, you understand how to manage model, you understand how to keep the naming of the model and how to keep it clean. So everything, all of these things really matter for the find the job like the Revit architecture or even the BIM coordinator. Who knows? So if you are ready to the new series, let's get started. In new season of the complete project in Revit, we will starting from this simple building. As you can see, it's not already the home, it's not the house living. We will switching to the commercial building. It will be some new experience for you because we never did commercial building in that type of the series. In new season, I will start from the a bit scale big project. So if before we have the project around 150 square meters till 250, and this project, as you can see, much bigger than our all previous one. So will be nice for us. It's quite simple, and this is much bigger, and it's not the home. So this is new season of our complete Revit project. Let's get started. And as always, we starting from preparing our project. So this tutorial, most of this tutorial will be about the preparing our project. We not will start straight away to creating the walls and windows now. So here's the Revit. Let's create the new file. As you can see, I'm not using some special template because we will create our own one for our own project. So till we will be working, our template will be developing, and after that you will get really nice template only for you. Here is our project, and straight away just let's save our project because we want a proper name, not like this one, project one. No, we want a proper name. I already did the folder where I will save it, and here I will save it the project. As you can see, I have the folders. You will say why I'm explaining to you, because prepare to work you should start from the folders, name of the project, and after that you name of the parameters, name of the families. We starting from the nothing. So here's my as you can see files. Here's the project file, here's the reference one. As you understand, this is project file. Let's go to the project file, and here I will save my project. If you wanna create some subfolders, you can do it. Why not? For me, it will be pretty enough. Maybe I will change it by date, but it's okay for us right now. And let's save it as a properly name. So this is our complete project, but we know the name of the building, so let's use it. I think so. This is a name. Let's use this name, and I using that one between the words. It's better for me. And you can say this is architecture. Maybe because you will create some construction things after my tutorial. Maybe you will create some, I don't know, ventilation or wax system. Who knows? Let's save it. Now we get proper name. As you can see, here's our project. We can work after that. Now it's time to talk about the references. I already have references in my folder. As you can see, here it is, but it's the name I don't like it. Why I don't like it? Once I will load it inside to the Revit, I will get the same name. It's not will be useful. For example, when I will trace, for example, this floor, I not will be exactly understand which type of which this floor. Yeah, I can see it. This is ground floor, but anyway, better if you will be have the properly name too. So I will change the name, all the references, and all the project files. As always, you will find below the video there will be link. it will be always update on each series of the complete Revit project. So you will find it there. So I will change the name. And one more thing to create our project more professional. Actually, professional doesn't mean like how you can use the Revit. It means how you does work with Revit. This is much important for us. Okay, that thing is calling the starting view. We should create the starting view for our project. Our project is already completed, so it's not under the construction. It's completed in 2015. So we can just use the references from the website of the architecture company. Anyway, I will create a drafting view, and I will call this start view. You can call it as you want, so this doesn't matter for us, but we just will know this is start view. The start view we will create under the manage. Here you will find the starting view. Will use, and let's use the starting view will be drafting view start view. Let's say okay. Now when you will open your Revit project, this Revit project, first of all you will see only this list, but here is nothing, so we should change it. I will go back to the website, and we can easily just use the print screen, because as I said, this is project already finished. We no need to create some title blocks. If you want, you can do that, but I will just copy it. By the way, I'm using the Monosnap. This is a program calling the Monosnap. All the links you will find below. What the great with the thing, you can just clip art from your screen and just drag and drop where you want. So I will drag here. As you can see, here is the already name of our project, and we need some nice picture. So what is the building is. So we can use that one. Again, I'm using the Monosnap. As you can see, I'm just using the range of the screen and just drag and drop inside to our project. I will drag and drop and place it here. Done. So I will do it like this, and I will save it. And so what we did, I will close my project and I will open it again. I will open it again, and what you will see, we starting from this view. This looks much professional, and it's more understandable for you. You can get all information here only by this view. You can place even here who working on this file, blah blah blah, whenever you want. Okay, so we finished with the preparing. Right now we starting already load inside our images, because our images will be our references in this project. So let's do it. And now I want to change my project browser, because this project browser, I don't like it at all. It's not useful when you starting your project. I will change it. Let's go to the manage. Here you will find the shared parameters, and let's create the new shared parameters. We will create our own shared parameters. I will use also the same folder. Here this will be same folder, and I will create the new folder which will call shared parameters. All parameters what we will create will be in this file. This is awesome for us. So shared parameters, and let's call it also the shared parameters. And how we will call this project? Let's use it GMBH. So we will understand, okay, this is GMBH, so this is shared parameter from this file. Actually, when we're creating this shared parameters, it's not for the one project. Actually, it's for the whole the projects creating. But we just created it. So this is new. We don't have nothing here, so this is new. And first group, what I will create in the shared parameter will be the list. So I will say this will be list. No, actually, it also will be for the list and the views. So this will be project browser. It will be better for us. We will understand. So, okay, it will be project browser. It's just group of the parameters, and the parameter name it will be view owner. View owner, and this parameter will be text. discipline doesn't matter, and here you can just write what is that. So this parameter showing who own this view or list. Okay, so it's maybe not for you, it's maybe for your colleagues. They will understand what this parameter doing. And let's say, okay, we're creating right now we're creating the shared parameters, and the second thing, we're creating our own new parameter for the project browser. But this parameter not working for our project right now. So what we can do? We should go to the project parameters, not shared parameter, project parameters. Let's add the new parameter. Let's go to the shared parameters, select, and as you can see, here is our parameter. Let's say okay. It will be text one, as you can see the type of the parameter, but it not will be text by data. So I wanna use it. Where we will leave it. Let's choose it where we leave it. Let's use the data, because this is actually the data. We need now this parameter in views, and we need this parameter now in list. Where's our sheets? Sheets. It's shadows. Sheets and shadows can be used to. No, shadows we not will use that. Maybe later on, we'll see. Right now we don't need it. So now it's only the sheets and views. Let's say okay. Let's say okay. Nothing changed, but if we will go now to the list, even the drafting, you will see owner view, and here is now no one. Let me, I will write my name, and IKO, you can write your name, and now this view have the my name. This is better. Now what we're gonna do? Now we should stack everything by view owners. Now we will go to the views, right click, browser organization. Let's create the new, and let's write by view owner. And now the Revit asking us how we can organize our browser. We're going to the grouping and sorting, and none will change to the view owner. And after that, I want to change it by type. So if it will be plan, it will be plans, it's sections, and on and on. Let's say okay, let's say okay. What's going on right now? I didn't use it. As you can see, nothing changed, because I should go to again to the project browser, and I should choose my new type of the organization. Let's say okay, and now it's working. As you can see by Nico, you can see detail view, and here is my drafting view, and other views it's unknown, because we need to say who is that. So I will select all of them, and I will say, because now I'm alone in project, I will say this is mine views. It's not only who owns this view. Maybe later on you will see why we need that. Now I will just change who is owner of these views, and that one too. Okay, done. As you can see, here is the under the me. Now I have prepared everything, and now I can continue to work. Now this time to go to the floor plan and do something else than just preparing our project. Yes, now we're starting to creating our axis, our grids. So let's see, where is our first level, ground level I mean. Here is my ground floor, and I will load it inside. Okay, here we are. Actually, I don't need now elevation. I will place it somewhere here. Okay, and first I wanna calculate distance. So let's find some door, just some average door. It will be hard, because actually here is not just any average door. I'll try to find it, because I'm not sure. This should be 900 millimeters. Yeah, we really did a great job. I will write here the 900 millimeters, because we are just tracing our project, don't think like we should copy it at all. So let me, I will start from here, from this part to this. Okay, so now we did it. Now it's 900 millimeters, and now we can start to create our grids. Let me, I will select it, and now I will pin it. So as you can see, it's pinned. And we should create the grids. It will be a bit hard to create the grids because I cannot see any column. Let me, I will think. Okay, we should go to the architecture, and here we'll find the grids. And let's start the grids. I will start from the inside. Here will be my first grid. And let me, I will a bit extend. We will rename it later on. Right now it's not so matter for us. Let me, I will copy it. Just let me, I will copy it, and of course it will be here. One more will be here. Yeah, it's pretty nice distance. Let's create two more. One more, it will be here. And last one in the end. So if you know someone from this company, just ask them where is the real grids. Maybe they will send us. Who knows? And the last one will be here. Okay. We did our grids. I said we changed the names of the grids later on. We will prepare it too. And let's create the other one grids. It will be here. So just one thing, we will change immediately to the A. If you will change immediately to the A, whenever you will copy it, it will be changed to the not number to the not numeric name. Okay, now it will be B, as you can see, and yeah, it's here is much easier. Here we can easily understand where is our column. Actually, it's not the column. Here's the shafts. But whenever you have the staircase, around the staircase, we have the construction. Some of them we have the construction wall. And the last one will be here. Okay. We did it. It looks can be, yeah, it can be like that. Okay, now I don't wanna select the pin object. I just unpin it. As you can see, this bottom, it means you don't wanna select any pinned object. So our grids is not pinned yet, and I can select it right now. And let's prepare our drawings again. And before I will say yes, we did it, I should have the dimension to check is it everything right or no. Now, as you can see, it looks like everything right. As you can see, but I wanna check it better. Let me, I will select it, edit type, and now I wanna go to the units. Where is my units? A units format, and I wanna see even like this. Let me, I will check dimensions. Okay, everything alright. So better to check all dimensions before you will start to work, because when you will already start to work, it will be hard to change it. Okay, let me, I will place it a bit here. Okay, and all dimensions I think pretty okay, right? Yeah. So let me, I will change dimensions back. Units, use the like in project. And yeah, as you can see, this is here the problem. I don't like this this number. Let me, I will change to the 4700. Yeah, much better, right? So is it anywhere else? No. Here it's okay. Okay, as you can see, now we have the grids. With the name, as you can see, we should change it to. And we don't have a lot of the grids, we can do it manually, but if you will change to the one, as you can see, we get the problem. You cannot change to the one because you already have this. So the trickiest way, you can use my Dynamo scripts, you can find it, but if you don't, you just can do like this and just type it. Here will be 1, here will be 4. Why I know, because we cannot change it to 4. Oh, it will be long time work. Okay, anyway, here will be 2, 2, 2, oh sorry, 3, it's already, what, it will be now much easiest. That's why I say to do it before you placing your grids. So now it's my mistake, but I will change it fast. 5, and this will be 6. Done. And I'll push it back. Now I will select all my grids, filter all the grids, and I will pin it, because I don't want any mistake, like I will move it somewhere. So we have the grids, we have the view, we have the our project browser. So everything we did except one thing. It's about the elevation. So we will go to the elevation, any elevation, and here's our elevation. Let's fast prepare it. Here is actually easiest thing what we can do. As you can see, I cannot select all my grids because it's pinned. Let's unpin first. I want to extend it. Okay, so first I should unpin, extend it. Like this. I don't know the height of the building actually, I not will lie to you. I will select, and let's leave it 4 meters. It's pretty will be okay, but actually will be like around the 5 meters. But we will leave under the 4 meters each level. Okay, we did it, and one extra level. Why I will do the extra level to the basement? You can see we have here the staircase. So actually our ground floor will be start from here, but this will be our, this will be first floor, and here's the ground floor. So we will create the one extra level. One extra level. Maybe 1 meter, it will be enough. And I will do it like this. And let's call it ground level. Okay, otherwise we will leave as it is. It's okay for us. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. We will change it later on, but we already did. So, in the end, what we have right now? We have the project. It's already preparing everything, and in this project you can start already work. In the next tutorial we already continue to develop our project. We starting to creating our first walls, columns, etc. But it will be on the next tutorial. So if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget about the likes, share this video, and comment, of course. We will develop this video till the end, so we will create documentation in this tutorial. If you want, we like an extra, we'll create some renders, but it's not the main point for this type of the series. So don't forget about the likes, and see you in the next tutorial. If you're still watching me, here is like a bonus content. I created the OneDrive. It will be shared with you guys. So the link you will find below the video. In each of this series, you will able to go to this OneDrive and download the files from the tutorial. So that one will help you easily following me and get all information from there. So just find the link below the video, go there, use it, and you already can create or follow me in these tutorials. Before we will continue, I wanna say the special thanks for these people who supporting me on the Patreon. If you wanna become my Patreon and help to the channel, just go to the link below the video, you will find the Patreon, and you can spend even just $1 to help to my channel. I wanna say for these people really thank you, because some of these people already supporting me more than 2 years.